It is our 14th anniversary today, wedding anniversary, yay!
Sweet.
So we are going on a bicycle picnic trip, and we're going to take you along with us. So first up, we are going to get our picnic food. We are on our way to our favorite store, Outpost. A natural food store. It's about 2 miles from our house, so we often like to bike there. And here we are coming up to Outpost. This is what we got so far. 3 cheeses. Oh, Gino's adding some meat. I won't eat that. 2 fruit cherries, blackberries, and beverages. Soul brew kombucha, super good, made in Milwaukee.
Crackers.
Picking out crackers. Ooh, I want some non-crisp. So good.
Won't get that.
Oh no, I like table water too. Leaving Outpost. This is South Shore Park and Bayview area of Milwaukee, right next to the lake over there. One of our favorite things about living in this area is just being so close to the lake. And there's the lake, and the marina, and then South Shore Pavilion. They have a public bike station, and then just trails for days along the lake. It's really cool. You can see the beach. And then we get to go through a nicely wooded area. This is one of the few hills on this trail, let's just say that. We don't have many hills out here. This is the Oak Leaf Trail, which has a lot of miles that circles around Milwaukee. This is one of my favorite places. It's just nice downhill, fun, got a curve. It's right up by the lake, awesome. And of course, what goes down must go up. I don't know if you can see that hill coming up. It's really not that big. We don't have hills here, but you know, it's our hill. How's that wind?
Not great, but at least I know where I'm going.
And the sad part is, on the way back, the wind will not be at our backs. It'll be in our face.
More than likely. But the goal is just to do it. So I didn't wear bike shorts today, and we're going for over a 2-hour ride. And just gotta remember that stuff.
I also did not wear bike shorts today, but I just figure it's good conditioning, right? Build stamina. And we're coming up to Warnemont Park, golf course, I should say. Just after the golf course, we have a lot of wooded trails. Still going along the lake, you just can't see it. We are in Seven Bridges Park, which has a lot of hiking trails, bridges over creeks and rivers. It's a really nice park to visit. We made it to Grant Park Golf Course, and this is our halfway point. We're gonna turn around and go to a spot that we scoped out for our picnic. And here's our little picnic spot right over here.
We didn't bring a plate.
Sweatshirt.
Always.
Here's our spread. Crackers, cheese, fruit. Yum, yum.
I'm excited. I'm hungry.
We demolished the food. Actually, there's plenty left for many more picnics. So we had another mishap with Gino's camera.
Not my problem. It'll be fixed one of these days, but I'm not the technical guy.
Yeah, I mistakenly put in I charged batteries and then I put in an old battery. And last time we went on a trip, it was also my mistake. I feel like I'm sabotaging.
She doesn't want me on camera.
She's gonna steal the show.
That's right. But
Heading home after the lovely picnic. And the best part about going back on this trail is it's a lot of downhill, so it's a lot of fun. It goes really fast. So, shoo, we're flying. We're coming back up to Grant Park. Right now we're just riding alongside of it on a very pretty wood-bordered trail. And that big hill before, we get to go back down. Woohoo! We're heading back to Outpost to get some creamer because I need creamer in my Earl Grey tea in the morning. Very beautiful rose bush outside of Outpost. There's a boat. And then this massive bush. I wonder if these are hard to take care of. I can't believe it's been 14 years already. I feel very lucky to have met Gino. Every year it's gotten better and stronger and we grow together, and I just am happy he wants to do bike videos and bike trips with me.